Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to follow someone on X. So that's pretty simple. Let's go to X and you want to go to user's profile that you want to follow. I will use my search bar and you need to type the username of the person that you want to follow, and finally when you opened their page you want to find this black follow button, which is usually located at the top of your screen. So let's tap it, and as you can see it's changed to following button, which indicates that you have successfully followed this user. So that's basically how you can follow someone on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.